In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use parallel actions in Microsoft Power Automate Flow. If you're looking to make your automated workflows more efficient, understanding how to create and utilize parallel branches is a game changer. So, let's dive in and explore how to set this up. First, let's discuss what a parallel branch is. In Microsoft Power Automate, a parallel branch allows you to execute multiple actions simultaneously within your flow. This is particularly useful when you need different tasks to occur at the same time, improving the overall efficiency of your process. To get started with this, you'll want to create your first parallel branch in your flow. Begin by locating the action in your flow from which you want your parallel process to start. Position your mouse cursor over the arrow or the plus sign located just below this action. What you want to do here is initiate the creation of a new branch. Simply click on the plus sign and you'll see a menu pop up. From this menu, choose the option that says Add a Parallel Branch. By doing this, a new path that runs alongside your main flow pathway will appear. This is the visual representation of your parallel branch. With this new separate path in place, you'll want to start adding actions to it. Click the plus button within this newly created parallel branch. You can then select from a wide range of actions to perform whatever task is necessary for your workflow. Whether it's sending an email notification, retrieving items from a list, or creating a new file, whatever suits your needs best. Each of these actions will now run concurrently with those in your primary flow. Just remember, when setting up parallel actions, it's essential to consider how they might affect the rest of your flow. For example, if actions are dependent on the completion of your parallel tasks, you'll need to account for that in your automation logic. Likewise, ensure that each action in the parallel branches does not conflict with each other. This can help you avoid any unwanted overlaps or errors in your flow's execution. And that's it. You now know how to create and use parallel actions in Microsoft Power Automate. By incorporating parallel branches, you can streamline your processes, manage complex tasks more effectively, and boost the performance of your automation. So go ahead, give it a try, and watch as your workflows become more dynamic and efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you'd like more tips and tutorials on optimizing your Power Automate flows, be sure to stay tuned or check out some of our other videos. Good luck and happy automating!